Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Constant Contact for email marketing, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Constant Contact website. Click on the sign up button to create your account. Fill in your email address and a secure password, then click create account. Once your account is created, next, you will be prompted to enter your business information. Provide the name of your business, address, and phone number. Afterward, you can add your email list. If you don't have a list yet, you can create one later. To create your first email campaign, navigate to the Campaigns tab. Click on the Create button and select Email. Choose a template that suits your brand or campaign. Once you select a template, start customizing it with your content. You can add your logo, images, and text easily using the drag and drop editor. Make sure to include a clear call to action for your readers. After finalizing your design, click Next to set up the email details. Enter a subject line that grabs attention. Select your recipient list or add new contacts. Review your email thoroughly to ensure everything is correct. You can send a test email to yourself using the Send Test option. Once you're satisfied, hit the Send button or schedule it for later. Monitor the performance of your email campaigns by visiting the Reports section. Check metrics such as open rates and click-through rates to gauge success. Utilize this data to improve your future email campaigns. Always keep your audience in mind and adjust your strategies accordingly. With practice, you will become more comfortable using Constant Contact for your email marketing needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.